Welcome back to CfTesla. Now, it's late, I'm tired, but I just got the new update 2020.40.3, so I wanted to quickly make this video about what's in it, what it does, and you know, there's a lot of basic stuff that doesn't really evolve or doesn't talk about autopilot or anything in this one, so I'm going to show you what those are. And then later on another day, we'll go out there and test out autopilot and see if we notice any differences there like I usually do. But for now, let's get into what this one actually has on the screen. So when we click on release notes here, it pulls up and says it's got a speed assist improvement, which when I read this, it doesn't really seem any different. It says, in addition to local roads, speed assist now leverages your car's cameras to detect speed limit signs to improve the accuracy of a speed limit. This has already been there, so I'm not sure why they put it in this new update, but these other two are new. And when I scroll down here to look at what the old one says, it says speed assist now leverages your car's cameras to detect speed limit signs, improvements, accuracy. It's exactly the same as before, just about. Detect speed limit signs will be displayed in the driving visualizations, and all that as usual go up here. So it's the same verbiage as the one in the new notes. I don't understand. Maybe it just works better. We'll have to test it out later. Okay, now the next part is, it says priority Bluetooth devices, and I'm excited about this one. I've heard about this. It says to avoid connecting to the wrong nearby phone, you can now set your priority Bluetooth device. Your car will attempt to connect to the priority device associated with the profile selected before it attempts to connect to other paired phones. To set your priority device, tap the Bluetooth icon and tap on your touchscreen, select your preferred phone and tap priority device. So let's do that first. So here is the Bluetooth symbol. Click on that there. I'm in Superman, my priority device. Okay, so your car will attempt to connect to priority device before others. All right, perfect. So that's good, because what happens all the time is my wife and I share the car all the time. We have two other cars, but because this one's so fun to drive, we don't ever use those other ones. And this we have to. So now this should connect to me. Now, if my wife used Bluetooth, then this would be a bigger deal for us. She doesn't connect her phone to my car in terms of using Bluetooth. Using the phone, using any of those things like my messages and stuff here, chime on new message. She doesn't use any of this herself, so it wasn't really a big deal, but it is nice having it if two people do share the car, that now when it's under my profile, it's gonna try to connect to my phone first, and only will it connect to her phone if mine is not around to be connected. So that's why it says priority. It's not only my phone, it's just going to do my phone first. So that's a really nice thing. And then to her profile, we would go into, when she's in it, you click on it, like when she gets in the car with her phone, then what'll happen is she needs to come in here, we'll do the same thing. And then if we both get in the car, if it's under her profile, then the car is going to try to connect to her phone for her messages, for her music settings, or basically all the phone connectivity and stuff. So anyway, that's what that is. Pretty cool, nice little update. Thank you, Tesla. And then the glove box pin. So it says protect the valuables in your glove box with a 4-digit pin, and it says go into safety, glove box pin on your touchscreen to create your pin. So here we go. Let's go into our settings here, go down to safety. Let's see, go down here, format drive, pin to drive, glove box pin. Okay, so I'm going to create a pin, then we'll be back. Okay, so I've created a pin. We're now like James Bond. We've got the secret code. Let's go in and do it. So I go over here to glove box. Here we go. Got to enter my pin to do it. Got to hide it from you guys. And now look at that. If you have my pin, you can access my charger. Wow. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. That's actually kind of cool. But here's the downside to this. Already it's kind of a pain in the butt to get your glove box. I wish there was a button here, maybe you press that and it opens and maybe you hit a pin, but it's already a lot of different clicks. I mean, you already got to come in here to settings, that's one button, then you got to press another button, and now you got to type in a code to get it to open. That's 3 things you got to do now to open up your glove box, and I don't know, I feel like I'm just not gonna like that too much. But if you're the kind of person, I guess, that would put your purse inside your glove box and other things like that, then I guess it is good. There is no gap up here. One thing to really notice, that there's not a lot of gap up here to get under and pry down. It kind of goes up underneath. So it's a pretty secure place for a glove box in terms of glove boxes go. So, you know, I don't know. It's kind of a cool, I guess, gadget, but will people actually use it? I personally don't know. To turn off, just tap that, pin again, okay, and then it goes off. And so a pretty simple deal there. So that's pretty much for this update. I don't know if you guys noticed my blue lights down here on the ground. That's a video coming up real soon. I did some cool stuff inside the car. Really excited to show you. You're gonna like it. Anyway, that's it for this one. We're gonna go test this out a bunch on the road in the next coming days. See you on that video.